Hi guys, today we're going to learn about HTML style. Let's get started. First, becoming a better HTML coder. Good design and stylish decoration is needed. In order to make our page look better, how do we code it? Introducing style attribute for HTML. Let's take a look at the syntax. Okay, here is the syntax. So first we learn about the HTML element, for example, like heading 1, H1, or paragraph P. And then how do we style it? We put style and then equals, and then we put property and then value behind it. And let's take a look at the keyword property and value. The keyword property is a CSS property, and the value is a CSS value. For more info, you may Google it or wait for my CSS tutorial. And today we'll have some basic uh, tutorial about these CSS and how to style it. So here we have a basic element. We have a body, and then inside the body we have H1, hello world, and P, this is the beautiful world, and a P is for paragraph. And here we have an example. And then first it's JavaScript behind it, and then we shall click the second one, which said HTML. And here there's a code, and then at the end there is a result, and the result is the HTML render out. So we have a H1 hello world, and we have a paragraph, which is this is a beautiful world. And here is a link for JS Fiddle.